As long as she's comfortable wearing Pekpek shorts, then why not?
That is how you empower your woman.
What's up mga goy? Welcome to a new episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talks. Here with me is my partner, Miss Minchin, Erica. So we're going to she's going to help me answer this certain topic tonight, and that topic is about partner's outfit. Are you going to dictate your partner's outfit when they go out?
Are you going to dictate my outfit?
It's a tough question.
It is?
Yeah, but I think so far I haven't dictate you to wear something. I mean, I haven't dictate you what to wear. Yeah, so for me, of course not. I won't dictate to you. It's really up to you what to wear. I don't care what you wear, because I know that whatever you wear, you're comfortable with it.
Yeah, that's why I wore this, especially for this vlog, and I was waiting for his reaction if he's gonna say something like he changed or wear something else.
Yeah, Miss Minchin.
Wow. Okay. It's a good answer. Yeah. For me also, I will not dictate you to change your outfit, or I will not tell you like how to dress up, unless it's it means like your comfort depends on it. For example, we're going to a cold place and then you're wearing, I don't know, sando. Like, of course I will tell you, hey, we're going to a cold place, I think it's better for you to get a jacket or something. Or vice versa, in a hot place. Yeah, those things. Or if I know that, when we're traveling and we're gonna go to a temple and I'm gonna tell him he can't wear shorts, and only those things. But other than that, he's free.
Like telling what's appropriate for a certain place, for certain situations.
So what can you say about the guys who are telling their girls what to wear or what not to wear when going out?
I don't know about them. What important is me.
No, like I think were you not ever in that kind of mindset with your past?
Yeah. There are times that I dictate my past, because I've never I'm not that open-minded regarding these things. But now, I mean, since we are in a relationship, I never dictate you what to wear, because I really don't care about what you wear again. So for guys out there, I don't know, of course, you're just worried about your partner, that they might get bastos when they go out because they wear this Pekpek shorts, very sexy clothes. Well, I totally understand, but that's not the solution to avoid these things. Like wearing Pekpek shorts, so you need to tell your partner don't wear it, because there are some guys out there wants this ladies who's wearing Pekpek shorts, and they might harass or something like that. But again, that's not the solution, and it's a different story, it's a different topic. But for me, if Erica will go out with Pekpek short, and if she really wants to wear Pekpek short, it's okay, because I know I can trust her. I know that she can handle herself very well, and as long as she's comfortable wearing Pekpek shorts, then why not?
That is how you empower your woman. That is how you give them the chance to like think for themselves. I'm so thankful that he thinks this way now, because if he doesn't, then I don't think this relationship will go far. Because I really don't want to be dictated at all. Because I know that what I wear is comfortable for me. And what I wear is not because I want to impress anyone or I want to impress you or whoever, but because I want to wear this.
Yeah, and I don't think that you will wear something that you will get embarrassed.
Exactly. He knows me very well. He knows that I'm not gonna wear something that will make me uncomfortable, you know, like I will keep on bringing down my shorts or bringing down my shirt. I don't like it. I just want to be able to walk freely, so I don't wear things that are medyo hapit or medyo, you know, tight.
Yeah.
And
even if like she's bloated and if she wants to wear crop top, I don't care.
Yeah.
Bisag pag butod ka iyang tiyan. As long as she's comfortable.
Yeah, I'm happy. Well, don't you want to see me happy?
Yeah.
And yeah, that's basically how you deal with it. And like for example, let's put it in a different perspective. What if I wear mga losyang clothes, or you know, the baggy clothes, or not the sexy types? Because there are guys also who tell their girls na, uy, manamit ka naman, or dress up naman, because you're embarrassing me in my like barkada. Are you gonna tell me that? Because sometimes I wear baggy clothes.
Yeah, I know you wear baggy clothes and I don't care. Again, as long as you're comfortable, I'm okay with it. And of course, you don't wear baggy clothes when we go for a formal party. Of course, that's not appropriate.
Well, that's just common sense. You're not gonna wear that when you're gonna go to a formal party. So yeah, just trust your partner that they know what to wear and what's gonna happen if they wear these things.
You know, those guys who are telling their partners like, manamit ka naman, like put the sexy clothes, but when the time comes that your partner is wearing sexy clothes, and again, you will change your mind like, why are you wearing these sexy clothes? Are you impressing someone? Like that. Which is, I don't understand.
Yeah, that's why, girls, you don't dress to impress. If there's anyone you need to impress, that's the one in the mirror.
Yeah, that's yourself and your partner.
Ah, no. Okay, so that's it for tonight. Yeah, hope you enjoyed our mini conversation. And yeah, dress comfortably.
Dress comfortably.
Bye.
See you in the next episode, by the way.
See you. Bye.